Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Daisy. Today, as you can tell by the title already, I'm gonna be filming a what's on my iPhone X. Previously, like a year or two ago, I filmed a what's on my iPhone 7 Plus, and you guys really seemed to enjoy it. So I was like, why not film a what's on my iPhone X? And the new iPhone came out and I'm thinking about getting it, so I was like, let's do it now. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's just get right into this video. Let me first screen record this. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, so as you can tell by my screen, it's just the mountains. Nothing really important, very simple. And then when you open it, it's a picture of me and my family. It's my mom, my sister, my brother, and me at a wedding. And yes, my aunt did have Star Wars at her wedding. And then I have the Instagram icon right at the top if you want to go and add me. My Instagram is Daisy_Solano. Go and follow me. I try to upload consistently. I try to add stuff onto my story. So you just gotta add me. And then next to it I have a Snapchat. And you can see my room. Yeah, that's my bed. If you guys want to add me, there's my Snap. It's just Daisy_Solano1. I'm trying to scoot a little bit more over here because the screen of my iPhone is going to be right there. And then for the app next to it is Twitter. I do usually use Twitter. Sometimes there's my Twitter name if you want to add me. You guys don't have to, but if you guys want to. Yeah, I do use this often. Oh, look at the Ace family. Can you guys believe that they just had their baby? I cannot wait to see her. She's gonna be so cute. And then I have WhatsApp. I use that occasionally, not really often. And then right at the bottom I have my phone, my messages. Okay, I do not get messages often just because you see a 22 notification. Those are notifications like from the post office that my package is ready, or it's just messages from school that I don't think is important to open. So no, people do not talk to me. I don't even have friends. And then there's Safari and contacts. Now on the other side, it's just your basic mail, calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, weather, FaceTime, notes, reminders, the App Store, iBooks. I actually do use iBooks, and I use iBooks for like to store my resume, my school schedule, what was it, my passport applications and stuff like that. So it's like, I don't know, it just keeps it like in a little book, and I really do like it. And then when you click on this extras, it's just my activity, my Apple Watch app, and I like it because it tells me how many steps I've taken. I like, if you guys have this, like watch, I like to close these. I've closed them sometimes, not all the time, but I try and close them. It's like your calories, your exercise, your stand, and that's all from the Apple Watch. And I'm just a weirdo. I get really excited when they all close. And then I have Find Friends. My mom shares her location with me, so you know, whoever shares a location with me is right there. I'm trying to scoot over. You guys see my little bear in the back? Yes. I have Find iPhone, Files. In my files, I do store stuff in there too. I have tips. I actually don't use that. I could delete it. I have voice memos, compass, podcast, TV, wallet, and health. These are some of the apps that I don't really use. I put it in extras. I have my calculator, settings, and music. You guys want to see what I have in my music? Let's see. Yeah, this is basically my music. You guys want to know my favorite song so far? I'll play it for you guys. Let's see. Try to take a guess. It's by Drake and Bad Bunny. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Hold on. It's right here. What the hell? Why is it not playing? Oh, I don't think it's playing because it's a voice recording. Can that be it? Oh yeah, sorry guys. I don't think it is because it's recording my screen. Well, that sucks. But yeah, that's my favorite song. I have Chase, Wells Fargo, my banks. I need to know how much money is coming in and out, mainly coming out of my account because I like to eat and I like to spend my money on food and eyelashes. No, food, makeup, and yeah, eyelashes. That's what I spend most of my money on. If I'm looking this way, it's because my viewfinder's there. I'm trying to look this way, but I end up looking just at myself. I'm gonna try to stop doing that. I have Remind, and that's just to tell me when, it's just to remind me when to take my pill. Can't even speak. Flow just tells me my period and when it's coming, like an estimate. I write down my period dates, and then an estimate's like my next period and then my ovulation and just stuff like that. And then I have the YouTube folder, which has my sub count. Right now I have 15,255 subscribers. I'm excited. I want to hit 20,000 by the end of this year. I know that's a lot, but that's my goal. YouTube Studio, if you do have a YouTube channel, you know YouTube Studio holds your analytics, your revenue, your subscriber count, and just everything to edit your videos, change your thumbnails really easily, edit your description and stuff on your videos. And then right here, this Daisy Solano thing, it just shows me how somebody that's new to my channel, it would look to them. And this is just how it looks. If you guys didn't know, I uploaded a video a week ago and it was just get ready with me passport photo. If you want, go check it out. It's also a makeup look that I do all the time, so go check it out. I have AdSense. That's how I get paid through Google. I have Bazaar. I actually do edit my thumbnails through this app, and did you guys get to see that? I'm trying to try out blonde wigs, so that's why I did that. I want to see how I would look with it because I want to get a blonde wig for my birthday. My birthday is still a long time from now, but for some reason I like to plan ahead. I have Fonto. I sometimes edit my thumbnail photos on there too. If you guys want to know how I edit my thumbnail photos, let me know in the comments down below, or let me know any other video. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see as well. I have Camera Connect by Canon because I do use a Canon T6i, and I just use that to export my videos onto my phone or my pictures because it's just easier. I don't really like editing my videos from my laptop. I have a CapCut Pro, and that's how I edit videos. I used to use iMovie, but I feel like CapCut Pro is so much easier, and that's how I add the screen here. I have iMovie, don't really use it anymore. PicCollage, that's what I used to use to make my thumbnails. I have Thumbnail Maker, I don't use that one anymore. Credit Karma, I like to just keep up on my credit score. It's really important, and you know, that's just the responsibilities of growing up. It sucks, but it is. I have Visco. I don't know if that's how you say it, VSCO. I don't know if you're supposed to pronounce it in a certain way, but that's where I edit my pictures. Let's see. As you can tell, I have those 3 pictures that I edited of my family, and then there's me. You guys want to see me? And then there's me and my family. I don't really like that picture, but I have Facetune. I do use that often. And in this picture, I just blurred out the background because that's the exact picture that I used for my thumbnail on Get Ready With Me passport photo. So then I just blurred out the background, and then I used the other app to add all the little images that I added in it. Pinterest, I do use Pinterest often to look up like Halloween costume ideas, you know, just inspiration for anything, party ideas, you know, outfit ideas. You get all that from Pinterest. I have my Cricut because I do have the company to my phone is Cricut, Harkin's favorite movie, so I have that app. I have on stores, the album, I have Poshmark. I have Sephora, Groupon, Nordstrom, Amazon, always shopping on Amazon. Baskin Robbins, I love that ice cream, it's my favorite ice cream. Adidas, I love Adidas. I don't know why. I like Adidas over Nike, but I'm slowly trying to get into Nike because they do have nice stuff. It's not that they don't have nice stuff. I don't know, I'm just like an Adidas girl. But I'm trying to get into Nike. I'm trying. I have Adidas confirmed. My Bath and Body Works. Mercury, I don't know how you say that, but I have that app because I used to sell clothes on there, but I kind of stopped. OfferUp, Bitmoji. Do you guys think that this Bitmoji looks like me? Let's see. Hold on. Oh, I can't really open it. But yeah, do you guys think it looks like me? I feel like it does. I have followers. I like to know who follows me and who unfollows me on Instagram so I can unfollow you too. I have Progressive, Select Staffing, Uber, Lyft, The Gist, The Basic, Transportation, Showtime. I used to watch, what did I watch on Showtime? I watched, is that how you say it? I don't know. I forgot what I watched, but I watched something on there. Netflix, love Netflix. I don't know what to watch. Let me know shows that I should start watching because I feel like I went through everything. I know there's a lot more that I could watch, but I feel like I watched everything. So let me know. Airbnb, Realtor, USPS Mobile. I have that because it tells me like what I'm gonna get in the mail before I do receive it. I have school with a rolling eyes because if I'm being honest, I don't like school. I have My Coyote, that's my school app, Desmos, Blackboard, Docs, Photomath, Mathway, because it just helps me in my math class. It's a lot easier. 30-day squat and 30-day ab. I try to go to the gym, but when I'm not able to go to the gym, I do these apps. Even if I do go to the gym, actually, I do like the 30-day squat, the beginner 2 level. I'm actually on the 5th day. I haven't done it in a while, but I should go back onto it because I'm losing the booty. I have HP Smart. I just got a printer and I guess I had to have that app in order to print stuff. I do not see the point. I have Shake, what the hell? Snake versus Blocks. It's just a game. Pretty sure you guys know about it. I seen it on Instagram and I downloaded it, which probably wasn't a good idea because I'm actually really good at it and I'm addicted. But yeah, that's that. I have Goat, filler. Sometimes when I'm on the hype and I want to buy stuff like that is like overhyped and like it's really hard to get it, I have filler to be able to fill in the stuff, like already have the stuff filled in and I could just check out, get the item and go before it gets sold out. I have Yelp because when I do go out to eat or I want to go get my nails done or my hair done, I look at the reviews before I go to the place. I just feel like, you know, it's much better because people are honest. Ace Family app. Who doesn't have the Ace Family app? I feel like everyone knows about the Ace Family and everyone's gonna have the Ace Family app. I have the Ace Family app and you know, I heard that they deactivate your account when you're screen recording, so probably not a good idea for me to open it. And yeah, that's it for what's on my iPhone. Now that I stopped recording, I want to show you guys my favorite song since I wasn't able to show you guys when I was screen recording on my iPhone. Pretty sure you guys heard it, but where's it at? What the hell? Oh.
Están pendientes a ti, dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías, cuando yo te lo hacía.
So don't forget to like and subscribe as well as click that bell notification down below so you can be notified when I do upload a video because I'm trying to get back on my grind. I know I've said that before, but this time, as you can tell, I posted a week ago. And let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.